Hello everybody, a very warm welcome. It's the DM Keith Mod Group. Thank you for joining us. It's Friday. We're at BYD Bradford, and this quirky little thing has come in part exchange, and I've got to say I've fallen dead in love with this after a little drive up and down the road. Little Renault Twingo Sport, TCE Sport. Now it's a 110 GT variant is this, so it's fairly peppy. I would imagine that something to do with its horsepower, but super thing in this graphite grey with these sort of contrasting orange stripes, go faster stripes down there. And I've got to say I do like having two exhaust pipes. I just think it looks magic on the car. It's reasonably roomy inside. You'll notice under there is a colour camera. I'll just pop that little opening open for you, and you know, it's enough to throw stuff in. I mean, it is a 4-seat car at the end of the day, folks, so you just be mindful of that. But yeah, you know, real matching spoiler on the back, stripes go right over the roof, and it's canny, and the air intakes just on the back there, the little air scoops to go in. Lovely little Renault Sport logos. I mean, they were pretty quick in the day with Renaults, you know, when they used to make the Clios and things like that. They were pretty well into their motorsport, but this is super. You can, on the main website, reserve any vehicle that we have in our group stock, and you could put a £99 fully refundable deposit down against the car, and if for any reason you didn't buy it, it's not a problem, we just put it on your card there and then. But it's Friday today, so if you're thinking of the weekend, Saturday is 9-5 opening at BYD, and Sunday is 11-4. But yeah, isn't it grand? You've got sort of leather on the working edges. I love them sort of built-in headrests and stuff like that. Rear seats, actually, they haven't been used by the look of it, and they do split and drop down as well. Super little retro gear knob, little gear aluminium gear knob in there. Navigation, smashing job. Colour reversing camera, obviously we've mentioned on there, and we have climate control, and climate control is kind of one up on your conventional. You set a temperature, press auto, and there you go. You don't have to do it ever again. Automatic lights and speed limiter. Yeah, 44,346 mileage. So you can, as I say, you can take it off sale for 72 hours and come down and have a test drive. It's fun, it's quirky, it's very nimble. Got to say, 110 horses under the bonnet, it's probably enough. If you're going to come down for a test drive though, guys, we've got to insure you, so please on the day can you remember to bring your driving licence, and if you have a part exchange, something you want to bring it along, definitely do, and just grab up your service history, and that way we can get you a better value because we can see what it's had in the past mechanically. We look forward to seeing you soon, guys. But if the weather's good and you're out in the park playing with the kids and enjoying yourselves, well, we don't blame you, but if we do, we look forward to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great time this weekend. All the best.